Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from MyTutorialRack.com and I welcome you all to the Data Cloud Consultant Practice Test course. Are you ready to pass your exam? First of all, let's talk about the exam. The exam is tough. The questions that are asked in the exam are very real scenario-based questions and they're not going to be straightforward. So you need to practice those questions, the right questions, before the exam. I'm not saying that, okay, just going through the practice test is going to be enough. You definitely need to learn about Data Cloud as well. And for that, I also have a separate video course which talks about Data Cloud Consultant exam, covers all the study guide topics and in depth and very in a practical manner. So do check out that other course as well. And this practice test is basically to test your knowledge once you have gone through the other course. Now, combination of these two courses, that is all you will need in order to pass the exam. And I'm not the only one who is saying that. A lot of people have already taken this course as well as the practice test course in order to pass the exam in the very first try. So don't wait. This is the reason a lot of students need these practice tests before the exam in order to make sure that they can pass the exam at the very first step. And that is the reason I have created this practice test course to give you that confidence and the edge that you need in order to succeed in the exam. So what are all the features of this course? The practice test course covers all the topics as per the study guide of the exam. There are a total of 2 practice tests included with 120 questions, so total of 120 questions with answer, as well as explanation is also added to those questions. The questions are very real world scenario based. They are not straightforward. So just going through this practice test will boost up your confidence and it will help you to figure out the areas that you need to pay more attention to. About me. So I'm Deepika Khanna. I have trained 200,000 plus students around the world in Salesforce. I have created several of best-selling courses and you might have enrolled in one of those courses and have learned from me in the past. And this is the course that is related to the practice test for the Data Cloud Consultant exam. Benefits of taking this course. There are several benefits if you are enrolled in this course. First of all, this course will test your knowledge on the Data Cloud topic. It is helping you to boost your confidence. It will test your readiness before the exam and also will figure out if there are any weak areas that you need to pay extra attention to. So increase your chances of passing in the very first try. That is what the benefit of taking this course will be. Don't leave your career to chance. Enroll in this course. Your Salesforce career growth starts here. Join today and take the first step in passing your Data Cloud Consultant exam. Now, along with this practice test, I highly encourage you to check out my other Data Cloud Consultant course, which basically is a complete video course in order to help you prepare for the exam and also in a very practical manner. So combination of these 2 courses is that all you will need in order to pass the exam. If you want to reach out to me, this is my direct cell number. You can text me and my website is MyTutorialRack.com and my email is info@MyTutorialRack.com. And I usually respond very quickly. If you have any questions, you can directly message me. Call. I usually don't pick up phone calls because of the number of spam calls I get. So text me if you have any questions and I'll see you inside the course. Bye and take care.